I'm Kegon, and I'm currently at the University of Rochester as an assistant professor. I work mainly on intergenerational mobility and inequality, and I'm particularly focused on aspects of transmission that deal with human capital and other aspects of socioeconomic status. So some of my work deals with early life transmission mechanisms like parental investments in kids, but I also have work that deals with later life transmission, such as wealth transfers in the form of bequests as well as inter vivos transfers. So most of my work looks at policy relevant questions because I was kind of raised to be eminently practical, as Charles Dickens would say. Probably too much so. But I try to approach policy questions in the spirit of the identification revolution. We try to get at causal effects using natural experiments or experimental data, but trying to kind of milk them by combining them, putting some structure on them with economic models so that we can generate counterfactual simulations. So I guess that's an approach that has become increasingly popular, and I'm kind of riding that wave. A lot of my work also borrows from research areas outside of traditional economics, I guess. So the CEHD has a lot of work on personality psychology, and I bought into this agenda. And so I look a lot at socio-emotional skills and their role in human capital production and inequality. I've also looked a little bit at areas like networks and genetics, both outside of economics traditionally, networks from sociology and genetics, of course, from biology. But I think there are very useful measures that complement our understanding of human capital in the case of networks and as well as genetics. They're just different aspects of human capital that have proven to be relevant and predictive of outcomes. And so I think it's worthwhile to think about them and use them.